How to delete call history on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your call history on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you have opened the app, to delete call history on Messenger, you have to do it individually. So scroll through the chats and simply long press on the chat where you want to delete the conversation and the call history. So here you can see the option label as delete. So simply tap on that. And here on the confirmation message, just tap on delete. And once you do that, all your chat history and your call history will be deleted. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct function or a button to delete all history of call at once, and that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.